Gonna kill you. So, all right, let's head outside, though. Right now, it's 66 degrees and partly cloudy at both the airport and at Camp Mabry. Almost twin temperatures across the board for both of them. Temperature-wise, not bad. A little bit of cloud cover, though, to deal with over the next few hours before the clouds lift, and I'll show you all that in just a little bit. Are you an allergy sufferer? If so, you are feeling it today, aren't you? We have 3,124 parts per million for oak, and I apparently might be allergic to that because my nose has been tingling and twitching, and I've been sneezing like nobody's business. Now, I want to go ahead and take a look at those antihistamines. Headed out to the lakes, though, we're down about 6 feet at Lake Travis, down 3 at Lake Buchanan, and our flow at Barton Springs is still on the low side. Now, our satellite and radar composite is showing the evidence of what's left over from a stationary front. Now, this stationary front itself, over the next few hours, is actually going to lift and become a warm front, and that's what's going to keep us rather warm over the next few hours or so. And along the stationary boundary itself, you can actually start to see a little bit of those thunderstorms and showers come along, and they're going, though, just as soon as they get there, because, as I said, we are beginning to actually start to see that stationary front lift and become a warm front over the next few hours. Put this thing into motion, you'll see what I'm talking about. There's our warm front right there. There's our boundary. It's going to go ahead and lift off to the north within the next 24 hours or so, and it's going to keep us really warm. Putting this still into motion further into the evening hours tonight, notice how we get nice and clear. We have high pressure pretty much setting up camp over to the east of us, and that is filtering in some warmer air to deal with over the next few hours and next few days, as a matter of fact. At best, we could maybe get another light little scattering of cloud cover like we've seen over the last few days. But other than that, that's about it. Lows overnight, 64 degrees in Rockdale, 62 in Burnett, 63 in Llano, and 64 in Fredericksburg. And then the highs for tomorrow, for the most part across the entire map, we're looking at the mid to lower 80s, a little bit above average for us this time of year. Right now, it is 66 degrees. By about 3 o'clock today, we're going to hit that high of about 84. Winds out of the east, southeast at about 10 to 15 miles per hour, and that is going to blow some of that pollen around, so just keep that in mind. Tonight, an overnight low of 63, and the next few days look really good. First day of spring is a little bit after the hour, 6 o'clock p.m. tomorrow, a high of 82. Monday through Tuesday and Wednesday, we stay in the lower 80s. A weak front comes around by Wednesday, giving us a small chance of rain. We level out by 80 degrees for Thursday and Friday.